Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Apps and Notifications right away. Now tap on Permissions and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like microphone. Now, by tapping on the gray switcher next to one of your apps, you can allow it access to your device's microphone. In order to deny it, click on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!